Hello everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Tuesday, January the 16th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. This is an email that you can use to ask me any questions. This is a link to get into our free room. You don't have to be a member of Trade Ideas to participate. This is a subscription link, and I open the room typically around 9 o'clock Eastern Time. I get live on the mic a little bit after that, so I share my screen and I'm live all day long till about 3:30 most days, 3 o'clock on Fridays. Now, if you watched the video on Friday, you know that I did not think I'd be around today, but I had a flight rescheduling, so I was able to be in the room today. No videos, let's see, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I'll definitely be out of town then. Next week, we start our test drive. Again, in this email that you receive, you'll see a link for you to sign up for the test drive. If you've ever wondered about Trade Ideas, wanting to try it out, I know we get a lot of questions about do you have any free trials. So it's not quite free. It'll cost you $8.88 for the week. That'll be 5 trading days starting January 22nd. That's the Monday. So for 5 trading days. Also good for people who have our standard subscription and are looking maybe to try out our premium service. You can do the same thing. You can try us out, the premium service, for that $8.88 for the week. All right, well, not very many trades today, but 3 pretty good ones actually. Now this came from the momentum less than 10 window, and it was a bit of a nerve-wracking one. I waited on it until it got over 5. I mean, look at the pop it had from 439 all the way up. I got into very, very fortunate because it became very spready right afterwards. Took the trade right here at 503. Look at the pop it had. I think it's actually all the way up to $6, almost up to $6. Wish I could say I got out right at the top. Not quite. Took some out at 545 on the way up, and then it came right back down and got out of all of the trade at 524. So that was like a very, very quick trade. The other 2 trades that I took were from Holly, and these were 2 pretty good trades actually. Take a look at the daily chart for this one, PAAS. And this is what I saw. Remember now, so this saw a little bit of room up to maybe this area here. Now the alert was at 1697, okay? So when I saw that alert, first thing I did was I waited for the stock to get over the whole number. You know, I'm just a big proponent of waiting to see a stock move over the whole number. You notice that it did right up there, 1708, came right back down, and then it popped up again. On the second time through, I took the trade. See, I actually had an alert right at 1708. Took the trade, actually it was at 1709, and had a nice move all the way up to 1741. I took some out at 1735 and 1722, and then at 1719. So I mean, it wasn't an incredibly great trade, but you know, it was pretty steady once I got into it, especially on that nice 15-minute candle pop. The other one was WLL. This was another pretty nice trade. And again, take a look at the daily chart. You'll hear me say that over and over and over again. If I see a daily chart that looks something like this, so here's the move right there. There's that daily candle. I mean, look left. So, you know, in theory, this is an energy play. Energy has been pretty strong. I mean, look at the energy move over the last, several weeks. So I look at this and I think, okay, there is some resistance, maybe $4 away. So, all the Holly alerts for me are not created equal. So when I see a stock like PAAS over the whole number with maybe 40 to 50 cents, this one was far better for my eye. And let's get to the 15-minute chart. So here was the alert at 30.43, okay? I actually took the trade just a little bit soon after that at 30.49. And again, look what it did. Very, very, very quick. I took some out at 30.81, 31.09, and then when it broke down through, or just over, 31.09, and then just underneath that, the whole number. So, I mean, these were really, and the interesting thing for me is if you look at XLE, which was the energy sector. That's the only thing that kind of gave me some pause. That's the one of the energy sector ETFs. So sort of remember what this is doing right here. And look what XLE was doing. moving down. So this was an energy sector play that was definitely contrarian. So I think that if the energy had been strong, we probably would have kept seeing this move, but I think it finally, succumbed to what the rest of the energy sector was doing. And that's why we probably finally had that down move. So only 3 trades today, but basically, certainly the first one on a percentage basis was really, really good, and the second 2 from Holly were very, very steady. So that is it. I'd say I'll be heading off to San Diego later on today. We have a couple of days of meetings, our AGM with everybody. So definitely will not be in the room Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. But back at it Monday morning, and I'm sure we're going to have a lot of people in the room with all the people trying out the program on our test drive. So I hope everybody has a great Dan actually will be in the room. I think he'll open the room. Probably not moderate too much. So I think the room will be open, but again, I will not be there to moderate. So until Monday morning, just bring back the capture program. Until Monday morning, everybody have a great 4 to 5 days while I'm gone, and we'll see you bright and early Monday morning for our test drive. Bye bye.